Music is heard by almost all of us. You might like pop music, country music, hip hop and rap, electronic music, and the list goes on. But why is it? Why do we listen to music in the first place? Why is your music preference different from others? And why do some people hate music? Let's answer all of those in this video. The answer to why do we listen to music is not simple. There is no single answer. Some of us listen to music because it simply makes us feel good. Teenagers like me listen to music to complete their emotional needs. By that I mean they make themselves feel the way they really want to be felt. Some people use music as an escape, to escape from the reality where they really don't want to be in. And the people who listen and play music as their passion. They love creating and playing music. The subject of music is very vast enough to not be covered in a single video. So I should approach music in a scientific way. When we listen to music, dopamine and serotonin are released in our brain. Serotonin being very similar to dopamine. These are the hormones which makes us feel good when we listen to music. They are literally nicknamed as feel-good hormones. But this is not the only thing which happens. Have you ever noticed when you walk while listening to music, you try to match your walking steps with the beats of the song you're listening to? It turns out that some of our organs do the same. Your heartbeat, blood pressure and your breathing patterns syncs or matches to the music. Crazy enough, music does a lot to our body. Hippocampus is a small part of our brain which stores old memories. Apparently, this is also the part which gets activated while we listen to music. And this is the reason why listening to music from your past brings back old memories which were happening at the time. Now the question is, why do we have different tastes in music? As children, we grow up listening to different kinds of music. Music from our surroundings or to the music which our parents listen to. All of this shapes our music taste. But it is majorly personal preference to what music you like to listen to. Factors like what social media platform you are on or the kinds of friends you have. All of these has an impact on your music fondness. And it is very annoying when a friend forces me to listen to a song which I clearly don't like. Now, what is up with the people who don't like music? You might be thinking, how is that even possible? Well, there is a pretty good reason why. Around 5% of the world's population suffer from amusia, a disorder in which people cannot remember or recognize a musical note or a rhythm. If you have amusia, please comment down below. I would really like to know more about you. But it's not only the 5% of the people who do not listen to music. There are people who just don't like music. These people have specific musical anedia. Everything is fine with their brain and all, but they just don't enjoy music. And other people think that they are crazy, which of course they are, yeah. Here's my advice. Don't recommend music to people who have a different music preference from yours. But there is one song in particular which I would like to talk about. Not because I like this song, but because this song is so different and unrepeated. The song being Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. This song does not have a single genre, as you would expect. This is not a rock song, not an a cappella, not a ballad, or an opera. Actually, it's all of them and more. The song is introduced by an a cappella, open your eyes, followed by a ballad, an opera, hard rock, and the song is ended by a sweet coda. Even 44 years later, no one has even come close to making something like this. The credit for this song can be single-handedly given to Freddie Mercury. Such a cool name. This song was all in Freddie's head. As his lead guitarist Brian May said, Freddie called this song as an experimentation in music, as it was so different, long and unrepetitive.